Yeah, we can make it through the trail though.
I think we can do the main trail.
Like,
Yeah.
Just like keep going through it, you know?
Yeah. We're pretty much just backtracking at this point.
Yeah, pretty much. Holy shit.
Launch for runners. You good?
Just a little tangle up in this mess.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, might as well. Yeah, the short Jeep is definitely more capable. Ooh, it's a transfer case, man.
Your long Jeep didn't do too bad today.
Yeah. But the short ones are like literally.
Yeah, meant for this, like
Yeah.
rock crawling and shit. Look how his flag is still going
The
back and
longer
forth.
ones, you know, I've actually heard there's a situation where you're actually better off with longer, you know.
Yeah, but not with this kind of off-roading. I think that's more for like.
No, not necessarily. I have a buddy who has a Wrangler.
For like dirt running.
He has a Wrangler and he wants a Cherokee. You
Yeah.
know, or like one of these longer ones, you know. He said he's been running into issues with the short ones in some situations.
Well, yeah, with towing and
How
all
did we
that.
get over
It
here?
allows you to like climb up stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Because like think about it, if you're short, you know, like a short car and you climb up something that's 2 feet, you're more in
Oh, of
a car
course,
that's
yeah.
longer, you know.
More likely to tip back.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But then again, with the Wrangler, he was able to just fucking turn right there, you know. So
Yeah.
it's
It all
win
depends.
lose, you know.
This is where I ripped my fender off, right on that tree. That little one.
Alright,
They
Kurt.
can match.
I need a match.
You're on fender duty.
Yeah, you're good.
Ah, my paint.
It's the fender stealing tree.
Less confident, less not if you're not. They already backs that one up. This car's
How y'all doing back there?
We doing pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm watching my fine ass. We ain't.
He ain't got no mirrors.
Feel like y'all's taking way too long.
Watch my side, Kurt.
Yeah, you're good on my side.
Thank you. You guys are the best spotters ever.
Are we?
But Zach was.
Well, Alex isn't, but
Yeah, I did good. Before you lost your fender. Or after you lost
he can only give you one task at a time. You know what I mean?
I do have ADHD. Thank you. I've struggled with it my whole life.
It's okay.
I'm disabled.
We should have brought Ginger out here.
Yeah, oh god.
I don't know if that truck is really suited for this. It is and it isn't.
Those trucks
It's
don't
long.
think they'll make it. Too big.
Work that trailer.
Yeah, right?
I think the Mustang would have been suitable for this.
Ah, shit, was I supposed to make a left there?
You can bring your Fusion out here.
Yeah, I could. Oh, God. Hold on. Yeah, I can see them doing that. So what is that? Just like a
Well, they marked it right on the panel.
What's that? What's what?
alligator alley or something like that? You good back there, Lacey?
Deep water, no left turn.
It's definitely fucking geared. Like,
What?
compared to mine and Forlow, like, just keep it in second and make it through all this shit.
Going to Gator Alley.
Man, I just wish I had an automatic. Because I hate slipping the clutch, man.
Yeah.
And like on inclines, it's hard.
Hey, you didn't saw it once today, though.
I don't know. Maybe I did.
The better one.
I want a lightweight flywheel.
Just get a sequential.
Really not this shit. Heavy duty.
You need to have shifters.
You'd probably want a heavier one, actually, if you plan on doing this shit.
Yeah, you're right.
Makes me want to buy like a really shitty Jeep and
I know, right?
sell it.
Like a Cherokee, then just do it.
I mean, shit, look at Seth's Cherokee.
Doing pretty good.
This is the one, you know.
He's been leading this whole pack.
Yeah.
He's confident, and I don't know. I kind of would rather him lead than Dave.
Yeah, good point.
Mine's a little on the nicer side, but it still has some dents and stuff on it that have been hidden well, you know.
I don't know why you were messing with it 2 days before you're going out, Kurt.
Well, dude, it had a drive line. I wasn't comfortable bringing it on
Okay,
the road.
if
It was beforehand. I wasn't gonna bring it.
From when I was in it, it didn't seem that bad to me, but you were driving it, so.
And not to mention, I had some road issues.
Yeah.
You know, like there's other things I needed to sort out. You know, I would have had no fenders. I would have literally bent the metal in on
Oh
the
man.
actual metal fender part. You know,
Yeah.
like that would have happened. So just gonna get the proper lift kit, get the slip yoke eliminator, and I'm gonna get a drive shaft with the CD in my head.
Is yours auto?
Yeah, it's on
That'll be a good problem.
Yeah,
Because you can have
that'll
one
be
foot on the
good,
brake
man.
and one foot on the gas, you know? It's like being a woman, I guess.
It was so innocent here.
Hey, at least he wants to know if you guys want to eat in Marseilles
I'd do that.
or Morris.
Yeah.
Yeah, if Chris is down.
Close area.
Oh man, no, I'm not. I'm in 4 low. I ain't going fast.
What did you say? Get some food in town.
Sure, but after that I want to go home.
Okay.
Are we gonna go backwards to the trail, or are we gonna try and complete it?
Well, we got about
We got about an hour.
an hour. Backwards.
Try. I mean, most of the time we were out here, we spent.
What's the penalty if we're a little bit late out of the trail?
It's just a safety thing. I mean, they're trying to close, you know.
See if we got stuck.
We'll be all right.
I still don't know what we're doing, but I mean, I want to finish the trail.
All right, we're here till midnight. We can
You
pull
know,
the gate
that's what I
open.
want to do. I want to finish the trail. Did you lose Lacey?
Back there.
How you doing, Lacey? Oh, I see it. Never mind.
Just you shouldn't go fast and 4 low, you know.
Yeah. Fair point.
So technically, this car has 12 gears.
Oh, now you're thinking, huh? Don't think too hard about it, man.
Right? Because I mean,
Technically, it does.
yes, it has 12 different gears.
I think of it like a bike.
Yeah. High and low, and 6 on each.
This is going on YouTube in the comments, man.
Mine are.
Yeah. This is so innocent.
This is nice too.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. You know,
That's what I thought it was.
this is what I wanted it to be. This is what I wanted to do. What we ended up doing was still cool. It was fun.
so fun.
I learned a lot. Learned a lot.
We did learn a lot.
But definitely, this was what I wanted to do because it's safe.
Well, at least all you lost was a weapon, you know. Like,
Yeah, I'm happy with that, and
Yeah.
we'll see what other damage when we clean it up is there. But
and you know what not to get into.
yeah,
It's over there.
ooh,
Oh, look at them tires. You want to crawl?
Well, we're not doing the flex test.
You want to do a flex test?
I don't think we have any flex-worthy vehicles.
I mean, if you bad.
If you bad.
oh, that's scary. That is scary.
I don't think we have any flexing cars.
What the he's enjoying it, you know.
I would
Just wish I could angle my camera a little better. We do need to get a group photo. I wish we can get a photo of all of us in a line.
I mean, David's got the GoPro.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a picture when he was in front.
I mean, like, if everyone stopped right now and we got a photo
Oh.
of all of us from Seth's car. Well,
feel
from
like
in front of Seth's car.
The dudes that were behind us when Lacey was in the fucking funnel.
They were just watching,
First I
man.
felt a little bad, and then eventually I was just like, they were just very amused, actually.
Oh, okay.
Like, they were probably thankful that they ran into us.
Oh, I know where we are now.
Because, I mean, he was fucking, you know, knee deep.
We get to watch a toe scrap.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Rip a bumper off. What am I doing?
We're gonna let Seth go first, guys. Make sure he gets all the way out. Okay.
Yeah, this is the first hill we went to.
I'd like to get a group photo of all of us in a line on a trail when we can.
Photogenic or something?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's pull over at the that little jump area that we were at where I got stuck first time.
We already passed that.
That's that.
Dave is not very good at directions.
We can pull over now.
Right now we're at that first hill we went down. So we're almost by the start of the trail.
Hey, Seth, pull over for a minute. We're gonna get a big group photo of the vehicles.
Oh, man.
And Seth's got his radio off.
Yeah.
I am.
We're gonna do it at the beginning.
You guys are pitching over there, like, at least have your seatbelt on if you're gonna pitch.
Not doing anything too crazy.
Went to a jump.
I mean, when we were going down some of those descents, I'm putting my fucking seatbelt on because I felt like I was like, you know.
Oh, yeah. And if it flips, you're just gonna fall out and get crushed.
Yep.
I mean, I thought, oh man, that bank, that was scary.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to make it sharper to get out of the bank, but the sharper I turned, the more of an angle I got. And so I just had to go through with it, man. Especially if you stop, you know, the momentum, you know.
I wonder what kind of gas mileage you did.
Do you really want to know? 15.6 from 17.5 when we came
Oh,
in.
that's not that bad.
It's an average over like a lot of miles.
It's probably at like 10 right now, at most. Yeah.
Yeah, one more.
4.5.
See, the dirt bike's not fun, and it looks like the girls love the dirt bikes.
Oh yeah, no girl.
There's so many girls on the dirt bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the end of the trail right now. I think we made it for half of it.
Ooh. I don't like rocks. I was hoping we
Hey,
could.
that's a good place to take a picture, guys. Get back up here.
Well, no.
Kind of
Well,
can't.
we kind of can't. We're already going down the hill.
Yeah, I know, but if you took a right up there where that blue truck was, it's a perfect
I mean-
picture spot.
I think we're good. Matt, you're not
Dude,
relaying the
seriously,
information.
like, turn around.
We're already at the bottom of the hill.
Come back up then.
No, I think we're good. Matt, relay.
Hey, we got a parking lot to take pictures in. Look at that.
Yeah.
Fuck your hill.